It's less about the coffee taste or the caffeine intake. Starting to turn to a process of, can I make my circles of the pouring better than one of last? It's less about the viewership and expression if they liked it or not. Starting to be more about, I learned more from them if they only knew. Learning their life experiences through the comments and then contributed to my own life now. It's less about trying to teach my own offspring, but more about, do I remember the things that I was taught? And will she be remembering the things that she learned now? Crazy how it turns full circle. One thing is, I stare at this sink every single day when I sit down on the toilet, and I see it drip and drip and drip. Am I gonna fix it? And sometimes you gotta teach lessons they don't get, and you gotta make it visual. I was trying to explain how opposite poles of a magnet attract. She couldn't visualize it. So something in my brain tapped into a 1990s song about opposites attract. And there was a visual cartoon how two characters loved each other and how they went back and forth. And it did the trick. Every morning she asked for an egg. It's not about feeding her anymore. It's more now about, she wants to know exactly when I'm gonna flip the egg. So it's that 3 seconds when I got her full undivided attention without an iPad. And then it's like I won the Olympics if it flips perfectly for a perfect 10. And get ready. I grab the same shirt every time because I got 10 of them. It's just comfort. Then we get to the domestic task of the world, the things that keep your household up. You got to get on your knees and do those mindless tasks that you value less and less each day, but knowing that you have to do it, annoying, because you have to go through every single little tiny vent to clean the whole thing. Time to look for your phone, and you're about 1%. You realize it's in your kid's room, all the way in the corner, charging her iPad. I didn't really have to look for it because I knew already where it was. Walk past your gym bag. It's a reminder, you need to go to the gym. Actually, the gym is closed. You need to go to the backyard and break a sweat. But as you're reminded to break a sweat, you think of your brother, cousin Frankie, and how it's his birthday today. And how you had a vision the night before about making a little comical poem that he used to make when he was a kid. And how you mad to make him one too. But wasn't I supposed to hit the gym? Well, it's late now and I haven't ate. Plus the wife dropped off the sandwich. Do I work out on an empty stomach, or do I waste the sandwich? Which one do I do? It's cold now because I had to write the poem, but I still want to eat it. I guess I can work out later. It's a little less about, hey, I got her a Bart Simpson shirt, but I connected my youth with hers. Seriously, could have just put the new roll on and been on our way, but yet you just put the new one on top of the old. And as I walk back to my desk, I see the clutter, or maybe organized clutter. Not necessarily clutter, but safe deposit boxes of my brain. If you look at one's desk, you can tell the personality. from their fears, their hobbies, their dreams, what they want to be like, their contrasts. You can even find a puzzle on there that's not put together but jumbled.
I'm working on being the art of humbleness. Can you be with me? That's the reason why I'm crying, because I'm not that person no more. And I miss him. Because sometimes I feel like a bitch. Because I don't want that person to come out, because if he comes out, hell is coming with him. And it's not funny at all. It must sound cool, like I'm a tough guy. It's just, I hate that guy. I'm scared of him.